Hi friends, it's Adrienne from Pork Chopstick Studios and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to cover brushes, how to use them, so they work to your advantage using my Juvie the Seagull Paint by Numbers kit as the inspiration station. As you'll be able to see here, I'm using two different brushes, basically tiny brushes, which are the tiny ninja brushes for detail. For this Juvie painting, I'm starting with the red color, number 6, because the red color next to the black is the lighter color, and the black color, I'll show you later on, will make the shape. You can see how I move my hand along with the shape that I'm painting, so that I'm painting along with it, not against it. I'm going with the brush. Think of Mr. Miyagi, paint the fence. It's all in the wrist, up, down, paint the fence, and don't forget to breathe. Here I've switched to a little bigger of a ninja brush to go around the little spots in the red that are going to be another color there. Not only would Mr. Miyagi be happy about this, but your brush is also happy too. Keeping with the shape of your brush helps keep your brush alive and working and can last with you for most of your days. Because the last thing that your brush wants to be in is a body bag. I'm sorry, I can't help myself when it comes to pop culture. As you can see here, I've gone back to my little ninja brush with number 4, the black, and I'm making the shape of the little red spots with the darker color. So if you go over the red or the lighter color a little beyond, know that you can always fix it or leave it, but you can fix it with a darker color, which ultimately is the final shape maker. It can help to work in sections, painting one section at a time. And don't forget as you go to continue to wash your brush, clean it, going with the shape. It's all in the wrist. Remember Mr. Miyagi. And don't forget to take your time, switch your brushes as you go, and more importantly, enjoy the process. And make sure as you're cleaning your brushes when you're all done to do them along the brush shape, not against it, because you don't want to get yucky brushes in the end. And if you follow these rules, you'll always be the best.
You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best.